In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted documents in Scanner Pro on iPhone. If you've accidentally removed a scan, don't worry. Scanner Pro keeps deleted items in a trash bin so you can bring them back quickly. I'll walk you through the exact taps and share a few tips to help you find the right file with confidence. Start by opening the Scanner Pro app on your iPhone. Make sure you're on the main document screen where you normally see your scans. If you're inside a folder or a document, navigate back so you can view the full list. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap the three dots icon. This opens the More menu. From here, choose Trash Bin. This area stores items you've removed, organized similarly to your documents view. Give it a moment to load if you have a lot of scans. Now find the document you want to recover. Scroll through the list and look at the titles and thumbnails to spot the right one. If you gave your scan a clear name earlier, that will make it easier to identify. You can also check the date under each item to match when you originally scanned or deleted it. Take your time to confirm you've located the correct file. Once you've found it, tap the checkbox beside the document to select it. If you need to recover more than one, you can select multiple checkboxes before moving on. This is useful when cleaning up after a bulk delete. With your document selected, tap Recover. If a confirmation prompt appears, go ahead and confirm. Scanner Pro will restore the item to its original place. Finally, head back to your main documents list. You should now see the recovered document alongside your other scans. If you don't see it right away, refresh the view or briefly leave and re-enter the app. From here, you can rename the file, move it to a folder, or continue editing just like any other document. If you can't find the file in trash, it may have been permanently removed or the trash may have been emptied. In that case, recovery isn't available within the app. To avoid this in the future, consider naming important scans clearly and backing them up to a cloud service. And that's it. Quick, simple, and reliable recovery right inside Scanner Pro.